Hi everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today we'll be putting Klaviyo under the microscope. This multi-channel marketing automation platform is designed to power digital relationships across email, SMS and mobile push notifications. With a stunning web app, over 350 integrations, advanced analytics, in-depth customization and flexible scalability, creating lasting and strong relationships with your audience is well within your reach. Join us as we analyse Klaviyo closely and discuss its features, performance, pricing and promotions. For more details about Klaviyo, visit our website at bestreviews.net and check out our full written review. Now over to Saskia.
Getting started with Klaviyo is a breeze, as its web app is easy to navigate. There's a step-by-step introduction guide when you first log into the platform and plenty of info to help you set up your account. The first step is answering a few questions, such as your company type and business address. After that, you're prompted to connect an existing customer base to the platform. Klaviyo integrates with over 350 services, including WooCommerce, Shopify, Big Cartel, and TikTok. Alternatively, you can easily import your audience via CSV, and there's a clear guide on how to achieve this. After connecting or importing your contacts, you can start driving and converting your audience immediately via email or SMS. Sending abandoned cart reminders, welcome messages, and sign-up forms is utterly straightforward. SMS works with a credit system, where the price varies depending on the quantity bought, and all plans already include carrier fees. Klaviyo offers an endless array of marketing tools, especially for email and SMS campaigns. Users get multi-channel campaigns, advanced analytics, audience segmentation, flows, and many more. Its AI features include A/B testing, smart send times, AI personalized product feeds, and an email content generator, which all take the guesswork out of your marketing actions. Klaviyo's reporting capabilities add to this, making it possible to fine-tune campaigns to ensure you're targeting the right clients at the right time via the right communication channel. This guarantees better conversion metrics and saves you precious time. When it comes to campaigns, the SMS marketing features are pretty much the same as email. The main difference is that SMSs are limited to the US, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and 12 European countries like the UK and France. Finally, in addition to email and SMS, Klaviyo includes mobile push notifications, which are part of the deal if your business has an app for Android or iOS. For a cohesive marketing strategy, you can opt to create campaigns using all the available channels, or use them independently. Klaviyo's automation features can be customized with flows triggered by various customer behaviors, such as placing an order, viewing a product, or filling out a form. Its customizable lead capturing forms can be embedded or appear as pop-ups. In addition to these features, there are two purchasable add-ons. One is the Customer Data Platform, which enhances customer engagement through comprehensive audience analysis, and the other is Reviews, serving as an excellent tool for e-commerce businesses. However, the Review add-on is only compatible with businesses using WooCommerce or Shopify. We felt that Klaviyo's reporting and benchmark features were excellent, allowing you to fine-tune and optimize your campaigns to the smallest detail. There's pattern identification, performance comparison, and custom reports. One of the best parts of Klaviyo is its flexible and scalable pricing, ensuring businesses of all sizes can make the most of its offers. First and foremost, let's talk about its free version. If your company has an audience of up to 250 active profiles and doesn't send more than 500 emails monthly, you can use Klaviyo for unlimited time without paying a dime. Furthermore, it includes 150 monthly SMS credits, and the only drawback is the Klaviyo's logo watermark in all emails. For more comprehensive compatibility, users can subscribe to a plan for email only or email and SMS, with prices varying depending on the number of active profiles, which go up to 250,000 or more with a custom plan. For paid subscriptions, the best deal is the email plan, which is priced at $20 per month and includes 5,000 monthly email sends, push notifications, and email and chat support. For $15 more per month, you get access to the SMS package with 1,250 credits. You can pay manually via ACH or wire transfer or by credit card. Whether you're a marketing expert or a newcomer, Klaviyo's thorough customer support ensures everyone can use the platform with relative ease. It includes an extensive help center, demos, a community, and even an academy with live training sessions, courses, and best practice guides. Its support channels include email, live chat, and virtual chat. We had a smooth experience contacting Klaviyo via email and received a clear response in under 2 hours. Klaviyo also has Facebook, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, and YouTube accounts.
Thanks for the thorough rundown, Saskia. While there are many marketing services, Klaviyo sets itself apart with a web app full of multi-channel marketing tools, including mobile push notifications. This company specializes in cutting-edge AI features for marketing actions like predictive analytics, A/B testing, and smart send time. Going the extra mile, it offers templates and flow automation, making it easy for beginners to create their first marketing campaign. For experienced marketers, Klaviyo offers full-scale customization and reports to aid in achieving high ROI metrics. Finally, the free version is best suited to small businesses as it's cost-free and jam-packed with valuable features. The downsides are that SMS marketing is still limited to specific countries and the free version has restricted customer support and adds a watermark to all emails. Given all its features and extended compatibility with Shopify, we recommend it for businesses with a Shopify store. Find out more about Klaviyo and its promotions by checking out our review linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!